Hey guys, my name's Sam from Ecoshine Solar. So I thought I would just run you through our presentation quickly. I'll leave it with you so you have all the information there, so I won't take too long, but I thought it'd be kind of nice to give you a quick overview. Our opening statement, basically what we want to do here is really have a comprehensive solution for Kiwis that have installed solar, from installation through to maintenance, making sure that they're getting the most out of their investment. So the need for clean and maintenance. So the big ones for us, that's just quick before and after of a system that we recently cleaned in Hamilton, showing you the difference. But what we see is improved system output. A lot of systems that we clean, increased system longevity, improved system reliability, and compliant with manufacturer's warranties. So I'll get into that a little bit later. Risks, unmaintained systems. So all photos that we've taken here in New Zealand, lichens a big one, general soiling, shading from trees can all lead to some pretty big problems. A global issue, cleaning, just some information there, a report showing that generally systems are underperforming by about 8%, which leads to estimated 3 to 5 billion euro loss, which is quite a problem in the industry. Maintenance and cleaning is definitely part of that. As you can see on the right, the difference between cleaning and output of some utility scale systems. So as installers, you would have seen the user guides or the warranties on the systems. They all recommend cleaning and maintenance and are very specific about that to keep warranties valid. So in New Zealand, what we see generally, these are the big ones. So soiling, as we talked about before, just dust, dirt, pollen. Pollen's a nasty one because it kind of is pretty sticky and attracts everything else to it. Depending on where the location of the panels, it can be quite a problem. Improper cleaning methods. So that can be people trying to clean their panels themselves, not knowing what they're doing, or exterior washing companies spraying chemicals or using high pressure hoses on the panels, both really quick ways to damage the panels and also void warranties. Birds nesting under panels is a big one. They love panels. It's a perfect nest for them. So we see that quite a lot, and they can get under there, mess up the wires, and also cause some airflow problems, causing the panels to lose efficiency. Lichen growth, pretty horrible, especially if a system hasn't been cleaned in a couple of years. Our company, so we're SHE approved, we're ISCA certified, so that's International Solar Panel Cleaning Academy. We have a bunch of 5-star reviews on Google, and family owned and operated. So that's a mugshot of me and my 2 brothers. These are our expertise: cleaning, visual inspection, thermal inspection, bird proofing, and reporting. So our cleaning methods, they're all manufactured approved. We use a specialized pure water system, taking all the minerals, leaving panels brand new again. We obviously make sure not to walk on panels, which sounds simple, but a lot of people do. But all our brush heads and everything are all specialized for this. So you know that they're going to be well taken care of. We also have a visual inspection every time, and these are the things we look out for. You can scan that link, and Ben will walk you through exactly kind of what that entails. Now, opportunity for partnership. So this will be tailored, obviously, to each different installer, but this is kind of how we see it working. So after installation, we'd establish a maintenance schedule, aftercare plan. We would take care of the maintenance and cleaning, which leads to improved system efficiency and longevity, happy customers, and then referrals back to you guys for any system upgrades, batteries, new inverters, more panels, etc. Some direct benefits for you guys. So industry leaders, as people are becoming more educated on maintenance, they start asking questions of installers and being able to give them a service. Shows you as an expert in your industry. Quality assurance, as I spoke about before, partnering with us, you know that the assets that you've installed are going to be looked after correctly. Testimonials from our customers, you can have a quick look through here. If this sounds interesting to you, all we'd like to do is sit down with you and just have a chat, talk about what we do, how we can work together. See if we can give Kiwis a good option and a long-term care for their solar panels. Here's our information, and we'll leave you some appendices too on our actual cleaning methods. Cool. Thanks for your time.